barbecue chicken, Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Rupa here. I'm doing a chicken now with a traditional barbecue sauce. So let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. 400 grams of chicken, a cup of tomato ketchup, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of butter. We have 1 onion which is cut into circles, a tablespoon of red chili sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon mustard powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of minced garlic, salt for seasoning, pepper powder for seasoning, oil for cooking the sauce, about a tablespoon. To begin with, let's make some incisions on the chicken so that it gets nicely marinated. Okay, leave it aside. Take a nice pan or a wok, put it on gas. Once it's hot, add about a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions, fry it till it goes translucent. Along with it, add the garlic. Just stir it for a minute on high flame. Add the tomato ketchup, the chili sauce, add the Worcestershire sauce, give it a nice mix. Simmer the gas, add the mustard powder, the chili powder, salt. Again go a little low on the salt because the ketchup already has salt in it, the pepper powder. Add the sugar and the vinegar. The sauce is simmering for about 10 minutes. It's gone nice and thick. So let's shut it and let's cool it before you marinate the chicken in it. The barbecue sauce is ready and it's cooled down. Let's marinate the chicken in it. So take a chicken in the bowl. We are adding the barbecue sauce to the chicken. Let's keep some for serving. When the chicken is barbecued, we are going to pour some from the top. So let's marinate the chicken for about half an hour before it goes into the oven. The chicken is marinating in the marination for about half an hour. Let's grease the tray. Arrange the pieces. The chicken is marinated well and we have put it for roasting or baking in the oven. So let's grease the tray and arrange them and put them at about 200 degrees centigrade for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let's stir fry the onion rings and caramelize them so that we can serve them with the barbecue chicken. Take a shallow pan, add some butter. Once the butter is melted, add the onions, fry them till they take a little pink color. As they are frying, add the sugar. Keep on stirring till they become nice brown in color and caramelized. The onions have nicely got caramelized, as you can see. Let's take them off. Let's keep them aside for serving. The barbecue chicken is ready. It was there in the oven for about 20 minutes. It's all done. It's got a nice barbecue flavor. So let's take it out for serving. The barbecue chicken is ready. We have some caramelized onion with it and some extra barbecue sauce so that you can just serve it and pour it as you like. So the barbecue chicken ready. It's nice and hot. It's a nice dish on a nice rainy day. I hope you make it.